So I was going to move this birdhouse further into the woods because it was just kind of a nuisance area. You know, there's a lot of other stuff in the way, and I figured they'd get more privacy out there. But I noticed something a little bit different when I went up there to see if there were any birds in it. I'll give you a look. Hold on a second. So what we have is a flying squirrel. I don't know where it went, but I'm just gonna leave it there. It'd be kind of cool. I'll show the grandkids and the kids when they come over.